Enabling two-factor authentication on your Payoneer account adds an extra layer of security to protect your financial information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Visit the Payoneer website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the menu, then select Security Settings to access your account's security features. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings section, find the option for two-factor authentication and click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as receiving a code via SMS or using an authentication app. Follow the instructions to set up your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your authentication method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm your setup, then save your changes to activate two-factor authentication on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Payoneer account and protect your sensitive information.